Dear students, today's our another session is online library resources InflibNet EPG Pathshala, especially for created for the postgraduate students of all subject communities. EPG Pathshala, one of the important portal created by the Information Library Network, a project of the National Mission on Education through ICT of the Ministry of HRD, especially designed and maintained for the postgraduate students. This is the portal EPG Pathshala. When you enter into the InflibNet, inflibnet.ac.in, the portal will open major services, Shodhgangas and Enlist resources, eVidyamitra, Vidwan database, etc. Among these, one of the service EPG Pathshala. You may click the EPG Pathshala. It will shows the home page of this screen. So under this, you click it. There are two corner, home page and students corner. You click it the students corner, that slide will show, that page will open like this. The all arts and science other subjects are mentioned in this: arts, science, engineering, and the other languages also. So this slide shows uploaded courses subject wise, that a total number of modules inserted in that red color highlighted. You may click it, whatever subject you want, you may click it and go into that slide 4. Suppose you click it in slide 4, the slide 4 shows that total number of 22,000 plus modules uploaded in this portal. There are two formats, e-text format and another one is video format, available in this EPG Pathshala. The slide 5th shows, when you click it in the previous slide, you click it, for example, the subject of commerce. You click it in the subject commerce, the module, total number of modules available in the commerce subject, 469 modules. So after clicking the commerce subject, this portal will open like this: the major topic and module, format module. Which one is do you want? One by that left side, you may click it. Now you select the particular topic, example, management concept and organizational behavior, first one. See this, under this slide I have selected the management concept and organizational behavior. So after that, when you click it, that next slide, that subdivision, the subdivision of this particular topic, now you select it, that for example, classical theories of management, that second one, classical theories of management. Select it and then you open that module, as it will show like this. This 8th slide shows that after selecting the module of classical theories of management, it will show full text of the particular subject, that is, who created, who designed the subject, who is the investigator. All the details are displayed in this slide. So you may download, if you want this particular topic, you may download it. That option is highlighted in the right side corner. Then you may take it print out if you need. You may take it print out. So that slide also will display with the all chapters, paper, coordinator, and reviewer, content writer, like etc. So if you click the self-learning box in that third one, that yellow color shows that here the self-learning. If you click the self-learning, it will shows the video of the particular chapter, complete video, recorded video of the particular chapter. You may listen it with the it is available in the YouTube also, so you may very interesting one in this EPG Pathshala for the postgraduate students. Most of the students doesn't know we have given already orientation program in the every academic year in our college, but unfortunately so many students not yet attended that program. So that is what this initiative, to reach each one of the students, to know what are the facilities available in online resources in information library network. So the next slide is slide number 9. Available, what are the other facilities? eAdhyan is a platform, provides 700 plus ebooks for PG courses, and UGC MOOCs courses. You know the Swayam and Swayam Prabha online courses. And another one is ePadya, is one of the vertical of postgraduate EPG Pathshala, which is a software driven course and content package. So the next slide will show that, slide number 10 show slides. The bottom, it is mentioned a total number of resources, that is 20,000 e-text format of books, format of the chapters available, and video format of the chapters available is 19,000, and other 3,200 experts feeded in this portal. Other things are there, so you may, it is very much useful for you. And the slide number 11 shows that, see the slide number 11 for the another topic of slide number, another that is we have selected the biophysics. Main subject is biophysics. So under this biophysics, you may select it under this subject. For example, foundation of physics, another subdivision of that subject under the main topic of foundation of biophysics. The subdivision is what is living. You select it, what is living. For example, if you select it, what is living, it will shows the next slide as this full text of the particular what is living, that chapter. So whatever the chapter, whatever the passage do you need, you take it in the printout or download it, or otherwise you may share it to your friends circle and your classmates also. So you may download it and view it later, or you don't understand that theory, and you may click it in the self-learning portal, and that yellow color highlighted, you may click it in the self-learning, you feel that the directly you may learn that lecture of that what is living in biophysics. So this slide and slide number 13 shows the major subject is selected here is English, humanities, arts subject, and English. Under the category, you may click English literature, It is total number of modules available under English 560 modules, e-text and videos available. So under this in English literature, the first one you selected, the first one English literature up to 5,590. There are 35 models available. So the next subdivision of the main under the main chapter of the main title of the English literature, you may see under this slide, you may see that subdivision of main topic. Whatever you want, you may select under the and copy down for the studies. So under this, you may select the first one, introduction to the age, or Anglo-Saxon and elegies, Christian poetry and prose, epic, like that. You may, whatever it is, you may click it and browse it. If you want the text, you may click it, or otherwise self-learning portal, you go to the self-learning, that lectures, recorded lectures available. So it is very much useful for the English literature students and other science students, arts, humanities students. So under this EPG Pathshala, there are under this EPG Pathshala, please note down the participants. 3 options are available to view this particular main subject modules. One is e-text format. You may download it from that content, and second one, take printout if you need full chapter. You may download it, and second one, you take a printout if you need. Then third one, you may view the self-learning portal video lecture also, and also you may share it to your friend circle and your classmates. So it is another one important usage of that EPG Pathshala. And moreover, you may you may view it these topics lectures in later according to your convenience. So share it to your classmates, friends through the Facebook or YouTube channel link. I think so. With this, I thank you for. I think you understood this EPG Pathshala presentation, very short profile. So with this, I conclude this session. If any doubt, please send your opinion, suggestion, or anything. If you want, you feel free to contact me through the email ID. My email ID is librarian@islamiacollege.edu.in. Once again, I will tell you, librarian@islamiacollege.edu.in. So with this, I conclude. Thank you very much for your patience listening. We will meet it in the next session. Thank you.